Poor Mr. Cicada. He came dive bombing in with that thing. Heavy load. Oh, here he's gonna come out. I saw one of them. Here he comes. Oh, he goes back in. There he is. Is he gonna look for his kill? No, he runs back in with a chicken. With a chicken. Now I bet if I pick up this poor cicada and put him over here, watch, they will drag him in. Yuck. Yeah, oh wait. I'm watching the cicada bees.
You say what?
The cicada bees, watch.
What kind of bees are those?
Cicada bees. See what he's doing?
I've never seen those before. I'm not from out here. I'm from Minnesota.
I've never seen these before either, but watch him. See how he go in the, they're all over the grass. They won't hurt you though. I just found out from the guy who's trying to kill him. They have, see all these little dirt spots?
Yeah.
They're all over, and they burrow into the ground, and in the morning you see them everywhere. He's been trying to kill them. But they take the cicadas, they catch them. This guy just came and just was loaded down carrying this thing. They lay eggs in them, in their little nests in the ground.
It's crazy.
It is.
I be seeing a bunch of them.
Yeah, yeah. I had them all over here.
Like, this is the first time I started to see them.
Yeah.
I'm from Minnesota. You know what Minnesota is?
Yeah. Yeah, I've been there a time or two now. See, he's going to drag it in there.
That is a weird looking bug. Like dragonfly wings on it.
Yeah.
It's like every year they come out with a new bug.
Yeah, exactly.
They gonna feast good on that bug.
Yeah, well, and I guess they lay their eggs inside them.
Inside the beetle?
Inside the cicada. Look at it.
Oh, you see how it is?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Oh. That's some crazy stuff.